Hello friends, so in today's video we will be discussing India's top 10 Demat accounts where some will be from the full service broker and some from the discount broker. Also some will offer lifetime free Demat accounts meaning zero brokerage account. In this video we will talk about 4 technologies like order type, charts, customer services. Based on these parameters we will decide which are the top 10 Demat accounts in the India. So friends, let's start the video. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investor. So the Demat accounts coming in at the 10th position is called like Finvechia. Finvechia is a broker that falls under the zero brokerage category where you are not charged any brokerage fees whether you are doing intraday trading, option trading or like regular trading. No charges for the account opening or for the AMC either. They started the concept of zero brokerage quite earlier. However, their technology isn't that advanced as some others in the zero brokerage category, but their customer services are quite good. So especially there the chat facility, they offer various types of order options as well. So at the ninth position, the broker that is actually a bank, and they have also started zero brokerage under the same trade free youth plan. I think you have understood that what the thing I am talking about is like a Kotak Security. Due to their zero brokerage plan, they have become quite famous recently. Here, by paying a subscription fee of 99 rupee in the first year and 299 rupee in the second year, you can enjoy zero brokerage. So you can also do intraday trading, regular trading and everything for free. So there are no charges overall for the account opening or as well as for the AMC also. If we talk about the technology, their app is a little bit behind and their customer services isn't that a perfect or we can say that like great, but Kotak Security is a well-known name and a big platform. So I have placed it above the Finvechia at the 9th position. Coming in the 8th position, that the SDFC Sky app, which was launched not too long ago, but its technology is continuously improving, and whether it comes to charges, they apply either 20 rupee or like 0.01%. Regarding customer services, you can expect a decent level of services. So the broker which comes at the 7th level is FIDES, which has been available in the market for quite some time under the name of discount broker. However, their charges are slightly higher, which is why they are ranked 7th number. While their charges are higher compared to the other discount brokers, so there are still better options available. Now let's talk about the Paytm Money, which comes at the 6th number. So the drawback with the Paytm Money is that there is no available calling number, which is why it is ranked 6th number. However, in terms of technology, it is quite good. Its charges are also comparable to the other brokers. Earlier, they used to provide brokerage of 50 rupees, but recently they increased their charges and they also made their AMC free. Now let's talk about the broker which comes at the 5th number, which is we all know that Dhan app. The advantage here is that you will get free AMC, equity as well as delivery. Account opening is also free, friends. So their special feature is a separate app for the options trading and their customer services is like excellent. Now let's see which broker is at the 4th position in the India. Grow is coming up as the 4th. Actually, it has the highest number of Demat account in overall India. However, it doesn't offer cover order or bracket order. So its customer services is excellent and in terms of technology, it is unmatched by any other broker. The problem with the charges arises in terms of equity and delivery, and you have to pay a little bit. Coming at the 3rd position, which is at Upstocks. It is at the 3rd position because delivery is chargeable, but in options, it charges 20 rupee or 0.05%, which is comparatively lower than the other brokers. So their app has consistently been the best rated app from the starting with the rating always around 4.6 to 4.7 star. They are quite advanced in terms of technology and offering numerous indicators as well as charts and many advanced features. So the second best app in India according to our research is Zerodha. It is highly trustworthy name with a very smooth app. Speaking of charges, delivery is free here, but you have to pay charges for the other transactions. Due to their advanced technology and customer services, they rank at the second number. The broker which comes at the first position is Angel One. It is at the top because account opening is free, AMC is free for the first year, and delivery is free and brokerage charges around 20 rupee. They also offer advanced technology and also the customer services are quite good. The type of orders available are similar to Zerodha and Upstock. Therefore, you can open your Demat account with any of these top 3 brokers in the India without any issue. In fact, I would advise you that if you are a long-term investor who mostly buys stocks in the delivery, you should choose either Angel One or Zerodha for your Demat account. But if you are more into the trading, so Upstock will be more suitable option for you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.